Welcome back to Old Charles. Today we are talking about the famous United States quarter dollar 1776, also known as the Bicentennial quarter. This special coin was released to celebrate 200 years of American independence. The dates 1776 to 1976 represent the year of independence and the bicentennial year. This coin is one of the most collected modern American coins, and many people still search their pocket change hoping to find a valuable example. The United States quarter dollar 1976 was issued by the United States Mint to honor the 200th anniversary of the signing of the Declaration of Independence in 1776 instead of the usual single-year date. This coin features the dual date 1776, which makes it instantly recognizable. The obverse side of the coin still shows the portrait of George Washington facing left. This design is based on the original sculpture by John Flanagan, which had been used on quarters since 1932. The reverse side of the bicentennial quarter is very special and different from regular quarters. Instead of the traditional eagle design, it features a colonial drummer boy holding a drum with a torch surrounded by 13 stars representing the original 13 colonies. This reverse design was created by Jack Lahr, and it became one of the most iconic quarter designs in American history. Above the drummer you will see the words United States of America, and below you will see quarter dollar. These coins were minted in 1975 and 1976, but none of them carry the single date 1975. All bicentennial quarters have the dual date 1776. They were produced in three different mint locations: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Coins from Philadelphia do not have a mint mark. Coins from Denver have a D mint mark, and coins from San Francisco have an S mint mark. Now let us talk about the value of the United States quarter dollar 1976 in circulated condition, which means coins that have been used in daily transactions. Most of these quarters are only worth their face value of 25 cents because millions and millions were produced. Over 1.6 billion coins were struck, making them very common in worn condition. You can still find them in pocket change even today. However, the value increases if the coin is in uncirculated condition. Uncirculated coins that have no wear and still have strong luster can sell for $1 to $5 depending on quality. Coins graded in higher mint state conditions such as MS-65 or higher by professional grading companies can sell for $10 or more, especially if they have strong eye appeal and no marks. There were also special 40% silver bicentennial quarters minted in San Francisco. These were sold in special collector sets and were not released for circulation. These silver quarters weigh slightly more than the regular copper nickel-clad versions, and they contain actual silver, which gives them extra value in circulated condition. A 40% silver bicentennial quarter can be worth $5 to $10 depending on the current silver price and condition in uncirculated or proof condition. The value can go even higher, sometimes reaching $15 or more. Proof coins are another important category. Proof bicentennial quarters were also made at the San Francisco Mint. These coins have a mirror-like background and frosted design details. They were specially struck for collectors and sold in proof sets. Clad proof quarters are usually worth $3 to $5, while silver proof versions can be worth $10 or more depending on condition. Some collectors also search for rare errors on the United States quarter dollar 1976 error. Coins can include off-center strikes, double die errors, clipped planchets, and coins struck on wrong metal blanks. These error coins can be worth significantly more, sometimes $50, $100, or even higher depending on the rarity and visibility of the error. Another factor that affects value is condition. Coins with scratches, heavy wear, discoloration, or damage will not be worth more than face value in most cases, but coins with sharp details, bright luster, and no signs of circulation are always more desirable. Grading plays a very important role in determining final price. The history of the United States quarter dollar 1976 begins with the celebration of 200 years of American independence in 1976. The United States wanted to honor the signing of the Declaration of Independence in 1776, and to mark this historic milestone the government approved special coin designs for the quarter, half dollar, and dollar coins. The project was organized by the United States Mint, which decided to temporarily change the reverse designs of circulating coins. Instead of the traditional eagle on the quarter, a special design was chosen. Through a national competition, artists from across the country submitted their ideas and the winning design for the quarter was created by Jack Lahr. The obverse of the coin continued to feature the familiar portrait of George Washington which had been used on the quarter since 1932. This portrait was originally designed by John Flanagan and it remained unchanged for the bicentennial issue except for the date which was replaced with the dual date 1776-1976 to represent 2 centuries of independence. The reverse design of the bicentennial quarter shows a colonial drummer boy holding a drum with a victory torch encircled by 13 stars symbolizing the original 13 colonies. This powerful image was meant to reflect the spirit of the American Revolution and the fight for freedom. It quickly became one of the most recognized coin designs in American history. Production of the bicentennial quarters began in 1975 and continued through 1976. Interestingly, no quarters were dated 1975 because all quarters struck during this period carried the dual date 1776-1976. The coins were minted in Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco with different mint marks depending on the location. In addition to regular copper nickel-clad coins, the San Francisco Mint also produced special 40% silver versions for collectors. These were sold in special mint sets and proof sets to commemorate the bicentennial celebration. Millions of Americans purchased these sets as souvenirs of this historic event. The bicentennial quarter was part of a larger national celebration that included parade ceremonies, special stamps, and many patriotic events across the country. It represented pride, unity, and remembrance of the founding of the United States. Over time, the United States quarter $1776-1976 became not just a circulating coin but also a symbol of American heritage. Even today, decades later, it remains popular among collectors and history enthusiasts because it connects modern America to its revolutionary past and the birth of the nation in 1776.